Hi everyone, and welcome again to The5ers YouTube channel. Would like to remind you all, of course, that if you want to receive any updates or any trading ideas from our YouTube channels, you are more than welcome to subscribe to our YouTube channel or to subscribe to our newsletter at the website. And today I would like to demonstrate for those who don't know this option, sorry. I would like to demonstrate and show you how to trade from the chart in the MT4 platform, which is much more comfortable to manage the position and to set the orders on the account. So I just choose the euro dollar. It doesn't matter on which pair we're going to demonstrate it and show it. And I'll start with the market positions, okay, and then I will show you also how to control and how to set and all the options to set the limit positions, including stop loss and take profit and all the advantage behind this. So on the left corner, at the top left corner on the chart, where you can see here when I point with my mouse here, the name of the symbol, there is a little triangle, which if we press on this, it will open this little window, little box, and that's for setting a quick position, market position on the chart. If we choose, let's say 0.10, we can change here the size position. As you can see, we have the price, the sell price and the buy price, okay. And for now we can just, for the example, I'll open a sell position, and as you all know, we can see the green line on the chart here. Once we have this green light on the chart, okay, we can set the stop loss and the take profit in a very comfortable way, and I'll show you exactly how. If we just put our mouse on this line, then click on the mouse, the left click, and drag, like dragging the line above. Of course, if it's a sell position and we drag the line above, we will get the stop loss line, okay. We can put it wherever we want, and if you look closely on the left side of this line, you can see exactly the amount that we are risking, and it's appear by dollar and by pips, okay. As you can see here, the risk is $21 exactly. All right, if we leave the line, it stay here. We can also, of course, then drag and drop it to wherever we want. We can change it and do whatever we want with the stop loss. Also, after we set the stop loss, if we just point with our mouse on this line, we can see exactly what is the risk, which is $22.80, which is 228. It's not pips, it's points, okay. It's 22 pips, 22.8 pips actually. So that's way we can see exactly what is our risk. I'm showing this especially because some of our traders in the 5ers asking about how to calculate the maximum risk allowed per trade, which is 1.5% from the balance. And they asked if we have any tools for this calculation. So I decided to do this video, and one of the options is after you set the stop loss on the chart, you can just point with your mouse and see exactly what is the risk with dollar and by pips, okay. The same way is for the take profit. If we just drag this line, okay, the entry line, and below drag this line, we'll get another red line, which is the take profit, and the same as the stop loss. You can see on the left what is the profit will be at this level and how many pips we are far from the entry level. Okay, also after we set the line, we can also point with our mouse and get exactly in the little box exactly the details about the profit and the amount of pips that we are going to profit at this line. Okay, also close the position is very simple. We can do it also from the chart, okay, which is just point on the entry level, the green line, right click on the mouse and choose close. Okay, that's all. So for market positions, it's very simple. We can set the order from this little box. Okay, of course, we all know the options that we have here on the new order, and then we can press sell or buy. We need to set the volume, and we can set also a stop loss and take profit from ahead. But I believe for most of us to do everything from the chart is much more comfortable. So at least for now, for any market orders, we can do it from here. We can set the position size, and after we have the position, we can just drag and drop the stop loss and the take profit, which is very comfortable, and see exactly what is the risk and what is the profit at the level we set. We can also set a limit orders from the chart, and if we just point with our mouse somewhere in the chart, if we want, let's say for example, to sell at this level where I'm just pointing here, all right, if the price will reach there, of course, I'll put the mouse here, I'll point with the mouse exactly at the level I want, and then right click and I will choose sell limit. The size that you'll have here, as you can see, 0.10 by default, it's the size that appear here. Okay, if we're going to change the size at this box, 0.20, then I'll come here again and right click on the mouse, you'll get 0.20 exactly how I change it on this little box in the corner. So we can just set here a sell limit, and then we will get the line. At this case, we cannot drag and drop the stop loss and the take profit from this green line, because if we do so, we just change the entry level for the sell limit orders because it's not triggered yet. The only way is to double click on the position line, on the red line, then just set some stop loss, just take some point above, and take profit if we want to set some point below because it's a sell order. If it was a buy order, we would do it different and the opposite side, and press modify. Then we will just get the line on the chart. Once we have these red lines on the chart, we can do whatever we want in much more comfortable way. We can take the stop loss a bit above if we want, to the exact level that we want to set the stop loss. We can point on this stop loss line, as you can see, and again see exactly what is the risk by pips and by dollars. And the same for the take profit, we can just do whatever we want with the take profit and point, get this little box and see the profit by dollar and by pips at this specific level. So deleting this limit orders, it's the same. Right click on the exactly on the line of the order of the sell limit and delete. Okay, last thing, we can set also a buy stop. By default, we have here the first option is the sell limit. If we will right click with the mouse above the current price, which is here now, the price is here, and if it's above, it will get we will see the sell limit orders. But let's see, if we are below the current price and we right click here below the current price, we will get first the default as a buy limit. Okay, and it's the same situation. once we set the buy limit, we can double click, and because it's a buy order, we need to set the stop loss and go down with the price, and above with the take profit. Once we get this modify button, we can just press, and again, once we have the red lines, the stop loss and the take profit, we are free to do whatever we want in much more comfortable way and much more flexibility. We can set the stop loss and the take profit wherever we want, point, get the exact amount of risk by pips and dollar, and the same situation for the take profit as we saw. And again, if you want to delete this order, right click on the exact line, the green line of the buy limit, delete order. Again, right click. If we want to have more options, we can go down to trading, and then you can get also here the buy stop. Okay, if we are above the price, the default is sell limit, but if we want more options, under the trading menu here, we will get the options to set a buy stop above the price, as you can see here. Okay, so I believe we cover all the possibilities, and I just wanted to show you how flexibility. I know there are many tools on the website and in the net to trade from the chart and things like that, but as you can see on the MT4, the built-in on the MT4 himself, we already have all these options to trade very comfortable and to manage the position and to understand exactly what is our risk and what is our profit at any level. So that's all for today. I hope you will enjoy from this video and find this benefit for those who didn't know that options. Wish you good luck and successful trading week. See you the next time. Bye bye.